Today, the match between Alcala and the Golden CC can be affected by the rain. Last time it rained, so let's go and examine the pitch whether we can play today or not. Here we are in the center of the ground. Let's check the pitch. From here, the pitch is not looks good for the match to be played, I think. Let's examine it closely. There are damp areas on the pitch. You can see it, and it looks very spongy. Moreover, the overcast condition and absence of sunlight makes it difficult for the match to be played. If it rains again,